Hello guys, how's everybody doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Our topic for today, we are gonna make a video and I'm gonna show you how exactly we edit it in the Viva video app. Boom! So guys, when taking a video, dili kinahanglan nga ka mag-take ang video nga nakay kamera, nakay tsada nga kamera, nakay tsada nga DSLR. Imong cellphone alone is perfect. So we will make use of it. So today, I'm gonna show you how I edit my videos in the Viva video app because I've been using the app for 3 years now. Pretty much all of my app are edited in Viva video. Even this video right now in YouTube, and pretty much all of my videos in YouTube. So today, what we're gonna do is we are gonna take 10 clips and you are gonna join me how I edit the video, and I'm gonna show you after what's the outcome. And let's go, let's take some videos. Boom! So guys, first clip we're gonna make, I think I'm just gonna place the tripod here on the camera and I'm just gonna walk past the video. Let's see. Clip. Clip number 2 guys that we are gonna make natong imon. Siguro mag-take lang ko murag slide lang shot diri nga i-focus ang sakot kay murag kanang feeling bitaw nga murag kanang naata sa earthy feelings. Yeah. So, mo to siya. Sige. Man bisag magpungko. Third shot that we're gonna make is I'm just gonna walk lakaw lang pag diri sa itawag ani murag sa itawag ani murag kanang sa tulay kanang shoulder sa tulay nga naglakaw ko niya. Take na lang ko video gikan sa ibabaw murag akong sapatos ba. Sige. Number 4, what I'm gonna make is that ikan mo dito ganina muambak lang ko padulong sa camera niya kapulo na akong camera. Makahangak bitaw bay. Tana bitong to sa quarantine nga wala kay trabaho lima na ka. Wala semana hapon kay may trabaho. So guys, 5th shot we're gonna make. Just gonna walk past here. Dali ta kay. Bisig bliksan ta sa kinan. We're in the middle of the road. Yee-hoo! So we're still figuring out right now guys because we're stuck at number 5. I'm still thinking about what we will do at number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But anyways, I finally figured it out. Number 6. So I think I'm just gonna take a selfie slow-mo video. Cool if we put it in slow-mo. So let's go. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, let's go. So guys, we're sa number 7. So guys, number 7. So na may tsada nga murag river diri gamay nga nay water agi sa ice. I think it will be a nice shot. Agian lang nako siya unya. I-reveal din ako ang kanila diri nga part because we're gonna take the rest of our 8th, 9th, and 10th last shot from this part. So it's nice. So let's go. I hope I pull this out. I pull this off, I mean. Okay. One, two, three, go. Misura to eh. Motong ko 1 second. 1 second, 1 minute. I think guys, that was amazing. That was amazing. Check it out. Let's see if it's nice, or let's see if we should take one more. It looks kind of crappy because the ice is dirty, but it's okay. It's okay. It's perfectly fine. It's mud season. It's April. What do you expect? So guys, I have a very bright idea. So we took the number 7 shot from there, and now what I'm thinking is that we have a pretty nice gondola right here. I am just gonna take a push out shot. So I'm gonna start the video from the race of the sun behind the gondola, and I'm just gonna push out, reveal the pretty nice gondola right here. How about that, huh? Ugaw gid akong bus nga mag-ubay. So guys, we are down to shot number 9 right now. So what I'm thinking, because we already revealed the gondola earlier from shot number 8, now I'm gonna make use of it. We have a pretty nice spot right here overlooking that view. Show them that view. Show them that view. So I'm gonna do right now is just pag lang good ko sapatos, then I'm just gonna take a punch shot, sliding shot overlooking the view. See, let's go. 1, 2, 3, down to last shot. So guys, shot number 10. So I think kung muna na is put the phone over there, and I'm gonna take like a murag imo nga video nga. I'm just gonna sit over there watching the view, and then that's the end of the video. That's it. So okay, let's go guys for the last shot. All right, a lot of workout today, huh? Holding my breath, jumping, climbing, but it's okay. So we are gonna edit those 10 clips right now. So let me show you. Boom. Now it's time to edit the video. First thing, we launch the app, Viva video app. Then we hit edit to start a new project. And then the next thing we do is to look for the 10 clips that we took earlier. So it should be here. So 1, then 2, 3, and 4, and 5, the one in the bridge, then 6 selfie, 7 the eyes, 8, 9, 10. There we go. Boom. Hit next. So now we have all our 10 clips over here. Right after we import, I usually trim all the videos from the start and then the end, so we only have the parts of the video that we really need for our project. So we do it from 1 to 10, and then right after I finish, I hit save, so we never lose the project. And then we add music. You go to your own music if you have your own preference, and Viva Video, they also have their program music from the app. So in this case, I'm gonna choose this one. After I put the music, I trim all the videos again so that they will synchronize with the beat of the music. Then we do it again from 1 to 10. Then we hit save again. So now the next thing I do after I finish synchronizing the video with the music, color grading. So I usually edit the brightness. If it's too bright, if it's too dark, I put a little bit of brightness, and then sometimes I put filter in the video so that it will add more drama to the project. And then we do it in each clip, because in each clip there are different conditions from 1 to 10. And then we hit save again, so we never lose the project. Now it's time to save the video. I usually choose 4K, the best possible quality that we can. So 70%. And then 90. There we go. Video saved to your local album. Ready. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I mean, it's nothing like really serious. It's not a professional. I'm just a beginner too, an amateur like you. So I hope, thank you very much for joining with me. You guys go out there, enjoy, explore your phone, because this is for the guys that like me. I'm always on the go with my phone, especially in the busy days. I don't have time to edit like pretty complicated videos in the computer. Just your phone and your Viva Video in the app of your phone is perfect. You can make a pretty nice video. No one even knows that it was edited from your phone. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something from me, from the Viva Video app. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments and suggestions, put it down in the comment box below, and I would be glad to reply you as far as I know. As far as I know, sa lawak ng aking nalalaman, base sa aking 24 oras na pagpapatrol. But anyways, you guys stay home, stay safe. Huwag kayong magpa-corona, stay home sa bahay. Sumunod sa mga frontliners. Yeah, mga frontliners. Bye guys! Guys, before we end the video, magpasalamat tayo sa ating videographer na si Jency Reyes. Gitugnaw na bayan ni siya og video dire kay tugnaw. It's cold.
Really freaking cold right now.
The sun is pretty nice. It's very nice, but it's cold because there's still a lot of snow, and when the wind blows, mura gisulod sa freezer.
Cold.
But anyway, shout outs to Jency Reyes of tong videographer.
Yes, anytime guys.
Okay. Panahon na para muwi na bahay. It's cold. My lips are moving.